ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಇರ್ರೆಲೆವೆಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಲೈಫ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬಹಳ ಸರಳ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ NCERT ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಟಫ್ ಇದ್ದದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಎನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. So those students who are looking for motivational videos and all, in our channel there is a playlist ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ motivational ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಚಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಾಹುಲ್ were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. ಸೊ 3:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾತು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ NCERT ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಂದಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. Okay, so now let's start. So it will be next 3:2. They admit Dhoni for 1/6 share in the profits and guaranteed that his share of profits will not be less than 25,000. So minimum profit ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 25,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so then total profits of the firm are 90,000. So total profit ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ, 90,000. And calculate share of profits for each partner when the guarantee is given by the firm. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, when the guarantee is given by the firm, the deficiency, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಡೆಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಧೋನಿಗೆ 25,000 ಅನ್ನ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ 25 ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಹಿಮ್ 25,000 ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. Then whatever amount we need to pay still, or whatever is the deficit amount is there, we call it as deficiency. I will show that example while solving. Okay, so that deficiency will be borne by all the partners. That means remaining whatever old partner, whoever old partner is there, in their profit sharing ratio they will be bearing. In this case, that deficiency will be borne by Sachin and Rahul in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. Now, without wasting time, let's start solving the problem. So in this problem, it would have been good if the board has given us the new profit sharing ratio. If it has not given, it will be little bit difficult to calculate their shares, little bit, not more. So let's see how to do it. There are two ways. One, you calculate the new profit sharing ratio, or otherwise, if you feel that calculation of ratio and all is complicated, then let's go with the second method. Right. So what is that second method? Now, let me tell you. So let's come to the worksheet. Now, first what we need to do is, we need to distribute the profit as per the new profit sharing, as per the profit sharing ratio. See, we know that Mr. Dhoni is getting how much? He is getting 1/6. So that means I write Dhoni is equal to 90,000 into 1/6, which will be 90,000. Sorry, which will be 6, okay, 15, so it will be 15,000. But what about other two? See, we need to understand total that is there is 90, and out of that 15 we will be giving to Dhoni. So what is remaining? Remaining is 75,000. Remaining 75,000 to Sachin and Rahul in their PSR, that is profit sharing ratio. Let us see how much it will be. 75,000 into 3 by 5. We know that the ratio is 3 by 5. So if it is 3 by 5, then this will be 45,000. Then this will be 30,000, because 75 minus 45. Okay. So now this will give us the total share each partner will have, but it is 45, 30 and 15. Let me repeat once again in Kannada. ನೋಡಿ ಧೋನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 1/6 ಅವನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ 90,000 into 1/6 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 15,000. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ 90 ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ 90 ನಲ್ಲಿ 15 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 75. ಆ 75 ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಚಿನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾಹುಲ್ಗೆ ಅವನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 45 and 30. So now I will write less guaranteed profit. So this guaranteed profit is 25,000 for Dhoni. So this gives me how much? 25,000, sorry, 25,000 minus, so 15,000 minus 25,000. So this has to be plus because it is already negative. So I will get a deficiency of 10,000. So how much will be the deficiency? The deficiency will be 10,000. I hope you have understood, because he has to get 25 but he is only getting 15, so that's why there is a deficiency of 10,000. And now I said if it is guaranteed by the firm, then this deficiency will be borne by the existing partners in their profit sharing ratio. So now I'll write the same deficiency borne by Sachin and Rahul in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. That is 3:2. So it will be 6,000 and 4,000. So this will be minus 6,000 and minus 4,000, because when they share, their share will get reduced. Okay, so the total remains same here, that is 45,000 and 30,000, and this 10,000 will be positive now. Next, or even if you don't keep this also, that is okay. Right, now next is last, profit distributed to partners. See, Sachin had to get 45, but now he will be sacrificing 6,000 to Dhoni. So total he will be getting 39,000, and Rahul will be getting 26,000 because 30 his share, now minus 4,000 towards that guaranteed profit, and this guy will get 25,000 as per the promise, that is 15,000 plus 10,000. Okay, so when you prepare profit and loss appropriation account, it will be very easy for you to prepare. First, what you need to write is by profit and loss account. By profit and loss account, you will be writing 90,000. You will be writing 90,000. Okay. And then this side, you will be writing two partners capital account. Okay. And you need to write the three names. One is Sachin capital account. Then next is Rahul. Then next is Dhoni. So let me change their names. Sachin, Rahul, and Dhoni. Okay, so how much we are giving to Sachin? That is 39,000. Then next is 26,000. Next is 25,000. So this is the end of the problem. Finished. So then take the total. So it will be 90,000, and this will, oh sorry, this is 25,000. Okay. So 90,000. So finished. So this is how you need to prepare. So I was focused more on this, less on this profit and loss appropriation account, because you know already how to prepare. So if we come to the second problem, the problem data remains same. Only what they have mentioned is at the end, calculate, from here you need to see, calculate share of profit of each partner when the guarantee is given by Roja. Roja, who is the Roja? Here, first partner. So this is the end of first problem. If we do the same thing for second problem, right, what will happen? I will tell you. See here, we assume that the guarantee is given by the first partner Roja. Then this will become 35,000, and this will remain as it is 30,000, and this will be 25,000, and same amount will be put here, that is 35, 30 and 25. So this is the solution to second problem. And third problem, what they say, if the guarantee is given by Sandhya and Neela equally, so in that case it will be like this. Third problem solution, what I'm doing now, rest all data remains same. It will be minus 5,000 and minus 5,000, and rest all remains same. So here in the profit and loss appropriation account, we will be writing 40, 25, 25. Now coming to the problem number fifth or sixth, because these two are good problems, you can consider them as good problem to solve. Okay, so now any one of the two we will be solving. So let's see problem number 5. Charan and Sharan are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Very good. They admit Sachin into partnership for 1/6 share of profits. Charan personally guaranteed. Remember, who is the one who is guaranteeing? Only Charan. That Sachin's share of profit after charging interest on capital at 10% per annum would not be less than 15,000 in a year. So after charging, so normally all the profits will be after charging interest on capital, right, at 10% per annum, should not be less than 15,000 in any year. The capital provided them by them by 1,25,000, 1,75,000, and the profit for the year ending March amounted to rupees 75,000 before providing interest on capital. Remember, you should remember ki it is before providing, right? So first we need to provide and then calculate. Show the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so let's start. So if this is the profit and loss appropriation account, okay. So what I will do is, see, once again, you read that line. The profit for the year ending March 31, 2016 amounted to rupees 75,000 before providing interest on capital. So before providing interest on capital, how much it is? It is 75,000. Okay. So then I will write here to interest on capital. Okay. You write one by one as we write, like Sharan, Charan, you write, but I will take in total, it will be 30,000. It will be 30,000. So what is left to share? That is 45,000. So you should remember that the total of the profit which we are distributing is 45,000. So now when you start with the solution, you should remember that now I write here, it is Charan and then it is Sharan and next it is Charan, Sharan and one more person is Sachin. Okay. Now what we will do now, now first distribution of profit as per new profit sharing ratio we will do. Distribution of profit as per new profit sharing ratio. So what is the new profit sharing ratio? 3:2:1 and the profit is like 90, sorry, the profit is 45,000. So I write here 45,000 in rupees 45,000 in 3:2:1. So that will be 22,500, 15,000 and 7,500. You can calculate, you will come to know. So now what I will write next, less guaranteed profit. So the guaranteed profit is who Charan has personally guaranteed that his share of profit will never be less than 15,000. So I will write here 15,000. So which gives me, sorry, this mine, it should be minus 15,000. So the deficiency will be 7,500. And this deficiency will be borne by Charan and will be only borne by Charan, not Sharan, because he is the one who guaranteed it. So he will be facing a deficit. He will be sacrificing how much? 7,500. Okay, and he will be gaining here 7,500 because of that guaranteed minimum profit concept. So now he had 22,500. Out of that he sacrificed 15,000. So now how much he will be getting? 15,000. And Sharan had 15,000 share and he has not sacrificed anything for a guaranteed profit. So he will also get 15. And Sachin will be getting again 15,000. Okay. So I hope you have understood these two problems. And later on here, you will be distributing it as 15, 15 and 15. You can write like this. 15,000, 15,000, finished. Okay, so these are very easy problems. Only thing is you need to focus, and this technique of solving will be more easy. You don't do any working in profit and loss appropriation account. Whatever working you like to do, you do it in this table and directly you take the amount to the profit and loss appropriation account. Thank you very much.